Okay, got this Wonder Glow. This is a primer for your face, and not like how other primers can be kind of drying. This one is actually moisturizing and gives you like a nice pretty glow. So you're going to leave that on for a minute before. Okay, this is my foundation that I use. SPF 50 plus, anti-aging and hydrating. This really does hydrate. It's not drying like other foundations can be, and a little goes a long way. And it's full coverage. I mean, this stuff is so amazing. And it just blends into her skin effortlessly. Like, just makes everything look so smooth. Okay, this is the Tarte Sculpt Tape. So good. So I just kind of do a couple here, a couple up here, here, and one. Okay. It's so pretty. The color is gorgeous. I put it down here just to give the illusion of a nice chiseled chin. But it gives just the most beautiful glow. Really pretty. Okay, this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. It is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I have it here. I use the taupe color. You're going to want to find your right color, but it gives you, it's such, you can do little lines like so. And down I go. Okay. And then I take the and just see the difference. This is the Tarte Under Eye Corrector. And it's supposed to really get rid of those dark circles. And it does, it feels really good. Nice, creamy, not cakey, not drying, just beautiful. Okay, here is the Tarte, it's Creaseless Creamy Concealer. I love this. Little goes a long way. And I just do like around here too. Okay. Take your brush. I mean, darkness be gone, right? And the what I love about this too is it really doesn't crease throughout the day. It doesn't get cakey. It's really, really pretty. Yeah, beautiful product. Okay, here I have, it's a matte bronzer by Tarte. It's really pretty. like a nice mirror with it. I'm going to take and just go over where I've already put my Tarte Sculpt tape. I used this first, and now I'm just going over it with a powder to really set it in. It's really a beautiful color. It's gorgeous. Okay, I absolutely love this Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. It's waterproof, liquid, all of the things, and it really stays on nicely. This is hard to do in a thing, so I'm going to have to do it in here. I hope that you can see. Okay, so I go up here. I'm going to go here and then there. See? It stays on too. It's a really good product. Okay, here is, I have a Smashbox eyeshadow that I've been working with. I really like. So I've already, prepped and primed with my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer. Now I'm putting the light color all over. Okay. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use more of a bronze today. And you just go in on the upper eye here. Colors are really pretty too. See, look at how pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, I have been using the MAC lip liner in the color Whirl for over 20 years now. It's my favorite color. It looks good on everyone too. I just go and fill in. Beautiful color. Okay, last step. To do your eyelashes, I'm just going to put a little bit of this Bond right in the corners here and here, and it's just a dab. Here, let me show you this way. Okay. Hold your eyelash like that, and then you're just going to go under. Hold it there for a second. 1, 2. And then it's on. And then this is what it looks like. I've got 2 16s and a 12. Okay, this, my absolute favorite. It is the Color Wow Dream Coat, and it just makes your hair so smooth. So you just put it in, rub your fingers through, brush it through, and then I'm going to blow dry this and show you what it looks like. Smooth as glass. It's gorgeous. Okay, so these are the Conair hot rollers. I just do 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and it's going to give me volume and just kind of set your hair. I mean, look at all the volume, right? Yeah, this is perfect. Love it.